Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation at the rate 80 word per minutes. Okay, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, the amending bill is to amend the Unit Trust of India Act 1963 and the Indian Trusts Act 1882. So far as I have gone through the bill, I have come to the understanding that this bill has been brought before this House to give some incentive to big money holders and to those wealthy persons who are paying wealth tax. Sir, the Unit Trust of India was established in 1964 to mobilize resources with a capital of rupees 5 crores. By this amendment, the government's policy again reveals that the Unit Trust of India is an institution for big money holders only. Today, there are commercial banks, the scheduled nationalized banks, and other financial institutions who also mobilize public savings and give higher rate of interest and relief than the ordinary bank rate of not more than 8% or 10%. After imposition of restriction on dividend, the situation has come up in such a way that the unit trust has further deteriorated. The minister, in her statement, said that during the last few months there was a rising trend of redemption of units issued by the UTI, causing serious impact on the liquidity of the UTI in an institution which is meant to mobilize part of savings from the pupil. People of all categories were on the verge of ruin. So the government had to come up with an ordinance to salvage an institution like the UTI. The UTI faced this sort of situation, and only to salvage the institution, the government promulgated the ordinance. The government promulgated the ordinance only to save this institution, only to help the wealthy persons and big industrialists so that they can invest their money in the UTI, and again that money will go to them for further investment in their own industry to breed further money. Sir, in the meantime, when the dividend restriction was imposed and the UTI was feeling helpless, people also lost faith in this institution, which is meant for mobilizing public savings and public resources. Sir, the scheme of unit trust which benefits not all classes of pupil excepting the small and the middle classes only the big people in this country is the result and creation. Stop. अगर आपको डिटेशन अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए. थैंक यू.